I'm kidding.
Hey Silly, Halloween's coming up. What are you gonna be this year?
I can't give you the answer right now, Sucker Ball. I'm kind of in the middle of coming up with a brand new costume.
It's alright. Take your time. I've got mine.
Well, what is it?
It's Moobersario.
From the new video game? Nice!
What's the status? Bibble, will destroy any animal who's in a Halloween costume tonight. That sounds awesome.
We'll see about that.
Quiet, you.
Man, I got lots of candy. How about you, sucker?
Well, you won't believe how many candies I just got. 10,000!
Monster! Monster!
Silly, what's the problem?
Where's that gold costume?
Oh my god, you're the Bibble Birds! You're really mean on Halloween, aren't you?
Well, of course we are mean.
Well, I'm pretty sure you should stop now to find a reason why you shouldn't put us non-costume animals, especially on Halloween.
Yeah, come on. Leave the jokes to Silly Goosery. Lawrence.
And what if we don't?
Everybody! Chainsaw and Diarrhea Dog are coming! Take a crap!
I'm with you, Silly!
Let's see how Pipe the Pigeon likes it.
What? I do not!
Wait